You're never going to stop.
They call it the Kleroterion.
We need a fair system run by AI.
They tried to silence me. Truth belongs to everyone.
The film has shattered records, fueling debate across capitals.
The keys to a machine and call it democracy. And you call
This be
silence
the solution, or another mistake. Artificial intelligence now decides our leaders.
The Kleroterion. Would you trust your future to AI?